Could quantum computing soon threaten Bitcoin's core security? Jefferies global equity strategist Christopher Wood has removed Bitcoin from his model portfolio, citing quantum risks, and shifted the 10% allocation to gold and gold mining stocks. This move highlights growing concerns that quantum advances could undermine blockchain cryptography, prompting a reassessment of digital assets' long-term safety. Strive just made history by completing the first-ever public merger between Bitcoin treasury companies, absorbing Semler Scientific. This move boosts Strive's Bitcoin holdings to 12,798 BTC, overtaking Tesla and Trump Media, and positions Strive as the 11th largest BTC treasury. The deal, closed on January 16th, reflects a trend of consolidation as larger players take advantage of market dips to scale up their digital asset reserves. Establishing a U.S. Bitcoin reserve sounds simple, but hidden legal obstacles are stalling progress. The White House Crypto Council says building a strategic BTC reserve remains a priority, yet agencies like the DOJ and OLC are debating complex legalities. President Trump's executive order only allows BTC seized in forfeitures to be added, sparking criticism from the crypto community about limited action. Riot Platforms just sold 1080 BTC to raise $96 million, fueling a major land purchase near its Texas data center. The company will expand its AI data center business and has signed a new partnership with AMD, providing up to 200 megawatts of computing capacity. This move highlights the ongoing convergence of Bitcoin mining infrastructure and AI computing demand in the US. Internal notes reveal Elon Musk briefly supported funding OpenAI through an ICO at the peak of the crypto boom. In January 2018, Musk discussed raising up to $10 billion via token sales, but later abandoned the plan, citing insufficient capital and shifting focus to Tesla. This episode highlights how even top tech leaders seriously explored crypto fundraising before regulatory scrutiny and market shifts changed the landscape. A single wallet, linked to Tom Lee's BitMine, just received $80 million in Ether, raising eyebrows across the crypto space. Blockchain data shows the address now holds over 24,000 ETH, with all funds coming from Falcon X in 2 large transfers. As Ethereum tests the $3.400 resistance, this move hints at ongoing institutional accumulation rather than short-term speculation. MetaMask just took a major leap, adding native Tron support to its wallet ecosystem. Now, users can manage TRC20 tokens, stake TRX, and execute cross-chain swaps directly from MetaMask's mobile and browser platforms. With over $81 billion USDT issued on Tron and millions of daily active wallets, this integration streamlines global digital dollar flows and DeFi participation. DeadLock ransomware leverages Polygon smart contracts to create a resilient proxy infrastructure that's nearly impossible to shut down. Cybersecurity firm Group IB revealed that attackers rotate proxy addresses in real time via blockchain, bypassing traditional defenses. The campaign targets Windows systems, encrypting files and threatening data leaks, but does not exploit Polygon vulnerabilities or impact crypto users. Imagine walking into a Carrefour store and instantly saving 20% just by paying with Bitcoin. The global retail giant is rolling out this discount across 14,000 stores, aiming to make crypto payments mainstream. Analysts say this move could push millions of shoppers to use Bitcoin for everyday purchases, signaling a major shift in how we pay. Major US banks are lobbying to weaken President Trump's pro-crypto agenda, targeting stablecoin rewards in the latest Senate bill. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong warns the legislation could ban tokenized securities, restrict DeFi, and block Americans from earning yield on stablecoins. Armstrong argues these changes risk stifling innovation and harming ordinary Americans' access to new financial products. A massive $282 million Bitcoin and Litecoin theft triggered a sharp Monero price surge. The attacker used social engineering to access a hardware wallet, moving 2.05 million LTC and 1,459 BTC on January 10th. Funds were rapidly swapped into Monero via instant exchanges, causing XMR to hit a new all-time high near $800, before settling around $670. The debut of the first US-regulated Aptos APT futures is reshaping the crypto derivatives landscape. Binomial's launch not only opens compliant access for institutions, but also drives Aptos network revenue over $1 million in a single day. With CFTC oversight, this milestone signals a new era for regulated altcoin products and paves the way for future ETFs.